Let me see how this played out, like the opportunity. Because what he did was run up and then come down. I'm about to check and see about that head and shoulders you were pointing out to. Um, this is the open. Yeah, okay.
I think it looks pretty clear on the 15-minute and the 30. At the hour too, a little bit.
All right. So we here. Boom. We got the open. It touched the order block. Did it touch it? Almost.
Damn, yeah, I would have considered it touching it.
That's one tick. The high 57.25, 57.50. Yeah, that's one tick. Oh my goodness.
I think I did. I no,
And then
I
like something
definitely
like
took
that,
trades.
your stop loss would be above the highs. TP would be right here. Damn. 5 contracts? That's tough. That's $40. Yeah, with 10 contracts. Oh my goodness.
God damn, I don't want to take profits. You could have really, you could have took profits and re-entered on the fair value gap right there.
Yep, on this one.
Yeah,
Could
right
have
where you
took
pointing to.
you could have took the three, almost 4,000. And then as soon as it did this, you could have got back in. And then now you just waiting to see what's going on. So in the midst of this, you could just did this. Boom. Bang. Came back in the range. That means it's taking the whole range. Came back in there. It took all this time to get up and it came back in the range. It's taking the whole range.
All them wicks off that 61.8.
Yeah. But came back to the order block and died. It could have took another entry. You seen that? Died.
If you missed it, get fair value gap.
Mhm. So now you see this. Oh yeah.
Damn, was we trading around this time?
It was waiting. We was waiting. I told you
Damn, we missed this shit.
at this point,
You bought calls.
yeah, stop loss. It would have been steep, but it wouldn't have been too crazy. And you could have targeted just at the top of the fair value gap. I mean the order block. We got these highs right here.
How much of a stop loss would that be with like two cons? I'm just curious. What you do after you play it out?
Just ain't about it.
That's not horrible.
And TP, or you can come back up here.
Yeah, that'd be fire. That'd be
Here, so we got a new low and high. So realistically, you could even take it back to here. Oh, I stopped out too early. I ain't even mad at that. I'm going for my buys again. 15 cons. Yeah, hold on. I don't want all these arrows. I'm just going for that same candle. Arrows be annoying. Stop loss under the demand zone. Now I want the highs. I got to get a little extra back. Ooh, I had to take profits. That joint pulled up.
Yeah, dang.
Yeah, this one, that pullback right there was crazy. How big are these candles? They're like $14, $20 or 18, 14, 20, $6. This isn't my favorite at this point, but these candles whipping back and forth. And it took profits here. And this was the previous floor over here. Go back to a fair value gap, could have re-entered here. You can still target there. So at that point, you can still stop loss. You can still target, make it make sense. You can really take it to the highs if you want to. Option contracts you could sit through some pullbacks. Not that other one though. Oh, I stopped too early. But that's why you don't enter in the middle. It came back to where my stop loss was, should have been my entry. That's one of them situations
You can't really do much if it's just showing the whole candle.
yeah. But at that point, I ain't even mad. Boom, bang. Seeing what the rest of the opportunities is. If it retests the floor or the D premium, you can take it up to this target. So like a $25 target. Okay, we got to pull back. Now I'm in boss. Look, we caught it at the bottom of the candle. Let me get these. Stop loss. I could put a conservative stop loss. You know what I'm saying? A safety loss. And TP, there, I'm already up 775. Boom, boom, boom. You see it came back and touched your ceiling?
It's like the upside down H. I'm seeing it a little bit.
Yeah.
Like the H is like it is going up and then it comes down. It pulls
It
back and
could
then it
be
shoots
this
up. I'm gonna just
like
have to get comfortable taking them calls like on that candle. I like to be waiting until it gets closer to the top where it's about to break.
yeah, look at that. Massive.
Damn. It's $30, $40 candle easily.
This is 40. And then we'll see what happens when you get up here. If it gets up there. See it stalling. Okay, I'm gonna just test my analysis. I'm gonna test. Oh damn. TP, I'm gonna just put it back at the bottom of this candle. See if these rejections work. 2 to 1 real quick. And nope, not that time. Too early. Should have waited for this. Yeah, I know that's a candle, but I'll be seeing some stuff. And it's double bullish like that. That ain't coming down. Oh, let's go back to the lows of these candles right here. They try to get people trapped in like, oh, it's being bought back up. We still rallying. No, we're not. I've been seeing so many bullish hammers to where they get flooded after.
Two of them, like doesn't matter, just one or two of them in a row.
Sometimes it's one, sometimes it's two. Like it's other ones that play out. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of times, see these hammer type candles, and they get a bullish, you get a bearish
Yeah,
play.
I'm looking at it from the play that I got into with the biggest candle. I'm looking at it. It was two hammers. I got in on one of the hammers and took an L, and then there was another hammer. I mean, it was kind of like a shooter, and then bam, I got in on the shooter. I was like, this thing's about to come down.
Yeah, you do get shooters that play out right, and then you get hammers that play out right as well. But sometimes, depending on where it's at, you will get like a shooter, and then you'll get a bullish candle that come right after, like it's still running up. Or you get a hammer, and then it's bearish candles coming right after. Trying to see, you don't always see them on the 1 minute, but it'd be a lot of times where you get them candles, and you'll be like, "Oh, it's gonna continue up. This is a bullish candle." And the next candle was mega bearish. Like at this point though, I'm probably done for the day. 20,000
Nah, that definitely, bro. Most definitely. Ain't no reason to trade no more.
stop loss above the fair value gap. Let's see if we can get back to the range. No, we're not gonna be greedy. Low hanging fruit target. Had a perfect stop loss right above the fair value gap. It
Yeah,
almost came and got me. Couple ticks above the fair value gap. Equal bodies. Remember I said these. Oh, I remember these candles. I was like, yo, if these candles is equal, if I'd have seen it, I would have took it. So look, the close 142.75, the open 142.50. 1 cent different, 1 tick difference. Came back to what? Perfectly, bro. So
I be
throughout
having
the
my
day.
targets down. I just don't be staying into the target.
So look, we're gonna see how this next fib play out since it's already here. I ain't even gonna worry about none of this price action. So we're gonna end up getting a ceiling right here somewhere. Even with that, we got a floor and ceiling, boom, projecting for the fair value. Let's see. Okay, we got a floor, the ceiling. So now you can see your ceiling and your floor right here. I want to see a pullback either in here, in any of this area right here. I want to see a pullback in somewhere in this area.
That fair value got
And it's not
20,
even just a fair value gap, it's the
what's that
optimal.
area? Oh, the
Yeah,
OT.
yeah. See how it tapped 50% and blasted up.
Still
It
tapped the
happened to,
fair value gap too.
yeah. But there's always something in that 50% in this OTE area.
Mm. I gotta start remembering to put this fib on more while I'm looking at the market. I don't even be thinking about it.
Got this reaction. We can see. I think it might come down though. Stop loss above the highs. See if we get back to the TP. I mean the 50 consolidation. I might get stopped out. Yeah, I would have took profit, y'all. Seeing that during dwindling back and forth.
Doing
Got this
bullshit,
fit.
yeah.
Got this other fit. Boom. High, low. Just see how fighting, fighting. Came back to the 50. See if it get lower. That's worth the entry because it came all the way to the. Oh yeah, I can stomach all of that. Yes, it's crazy. Sweeping liquidity. What time? Oh, that's why. This was lunch.
Yeah.
I didn't even notice. I just was going with the flow. I wouldn't have took it. That was lunch. I'm like, what time is this? This is when I just covered both sides. Like if it goes up, we see the 50% the same. At the top. OTE. Stop. The last one. So yeah, I wouldn't get no more back after that.
I'm about to see what time I took that trade that I lost that I thought was a good entry. I think it was around here, around 1 o'clock.
This was when it was whipping back and forth. Every other candle was bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. And I was right. I targeted the right thing. It just was a nasty up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is nasty, right? Got the rejection. So from there, I'm going to smack the head. What? I would have definitely took profits. Consolidation, consolidation.
Oh no, that was earlier in the day. That was 10:16. I thought it was later.
So we got a range right here. Previous low to this high. This Y is wicked out. Let me see what time it is. Look it up the range. Oh yeah, we coming lower. Stop loss. It really is gonna give me a banger. I'll take it. That's only $10. Yeah, we taking the range. That's $20, $23. Oh my goodness.
Damn. That was a great candle, shit. It's
Taking the
like the
range.
candle I caught.
You see what happened to? What kind of camera is this, bro?
And a fair value gap too. I would have definitely liked to play that. I like playing them when it's trending. It pulls up in the fair value gap.
And then look, what kind of candle is that? So
A
what we
hammer.
talked about.
A hammer.
What's we talking about? Look, fake out, make you think it's running, hammer, run, hammer. Oh, we gonna keep? No, we're not.
I don't really be looking at like the hammers don't be stopping me from getting in.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. But a lot of people would see a hammer and
Now I'm
think
about to start looking out for them to get in. Can you?
it's not everyone. But you see what happened? Rejection, 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 rejection. Made it. This is like a maybe we found the bottom, got people to buy in, but it's a fair value
Yeah,
gap, right? And it's in
people got
between.
smoked.
It's in between the this is the floor. So it broke the floor and this was the target. So it got sandwiched. This consolidation, 1 minute consolidation for continuation. the wick through, touched the hole, went back to the floor. No. Didn't get back to the floor. No. Die. So at
Could
that point, this type of point, you don't really want much more bearish action. Came back to the fair value gap reaction. How big of a candle is this? It's a $18 candle. That's a move.
could we go look at the 1016 candle after? That's why I want to know why it wasn't a good play because I thought it was a good setup at the time.
All right. So, consolidation. Yeah, that's when you see me use this as a equals. Sound like Sebastian, but whatever.
Equal
Equal.
lows, let's go.
Sometimes it'd be hard to catch that at the moment when you're watching. Fair value gap rejection. Damn, I ain't gonna throw on 27, but I'll let it ride.
Damn, that stop loss below the damn account.
You done. It would have. It was too early.
Yeah, you'd
You
have a good bit of equity to do something like that.
I'm at 27. You get that back. Triple. I'm more conservative. Still targeting the same thing. Maybe a little bit right there. Just was early. Figured it was going to, but it doubled back. Swept and then double swept. Came back to the order block. That's a breaker now because it's playing out bullish. Every time it come back, it plays out bullish. Boom, boom. But and this leading up to your death candle. Yeah, that's just finishing of that fair value gap. This one you got in.
Uh, Oh yeah, that blue candle, the blue hammer, was the first L. That was I was realized that was too early after I took it. I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for another candle or two, and I'm gonna probably get back in. I took it on the next candle after this one, after that gray
Okay.
one.
These is like relatively equal.
Yeah, that's why I thought I was gonna reject. It came up there last time and rejected. I was expecting it. I was just a bit. I should have been a little bit more patient.
And then from here, like I said, you could have did it. That's what I would have up there anyway. Like a $5 stop loss, that's 20 ticks. TP would have been at these lows. That's a guarantee. Got
Yeah,
these
I
lows,
know it's hitting that.
these lows.
That I should have had my TP down there. Yep. Smackaroo.
And then look, it literally came back to these lows. That's why I say you got these lows and these lows. It came right back to these lows.
Could have passed the eval with that with
That's
27
what I said.
cons.
One candle.
That would have
You ain't
passed the eval. He was
you
better.
ain't
He was like, you go try it out with 27 cons, bro. I should have. Oh my god.
yeah. And you said the 10 what?
1016. You don't gotta replay it. You just
Yeah.
go back to where it's at. That's where you bought it. I think you bought at the candle. I fucking almost sold it. Oh no, that's right. 1016. Yeah, them two great candles right there. I thought it was because I seen the order block to the left, and I thought it was coming down, but I was dead wrong.
So, yeah, and this is when they was playing out inverted, bro. Boom, you got this. You already getting an order block. It rejected. This is the only real rejection that it gave. So
Oh,
from
I
here,
thought it was gonna do another one.
um, 20,073, it went down like $100
Oh,
to
okay.
$110, $112 to 19,963. So it went down $112. That was the really only rejection. From there, it started playing this out as a breaker, like support. So you see how, boom, didn't close below, didn't close below, exactly at the low. It kept up. That was telling you. And then look, that's why I said sometimes you can't be looking for reasons to get in for the downside if it's reason for it to go up.
I seen that fair value gap, but see the other fair value gap right after sell five. That's where I thought it was gonna go to. That's what I was targeting. I wasn't looking for a crazy drop. I thought it was gonna target that
But
fair
this
value
is
gap.
what we were talking about. I see this one.
Yeah, that's
And
the one I'm talking about.
this is what we was talking about how a bearish point of interest can play out bullish. It's inverted. It gave the reaction. These are all the orders. It came in, the algorithm just took all the orders that was up in here and boom, flush. Cool. Now there's nothing else in here.
Yeah,
And if it is, it's playing out inverted. Because look, it came right back. Order blocks can play out more than once. It came right back, fake out, support, continuation. Came back to roughly the 50%, continuation. And really, it just came back to this highs that was slightly above, that got wicked out, that initiated the order block. So look, high, created the low, came back and used the high as support. That was the breaker. Mm, let me see. I think I got an indicator.